Hello students, welcome to mathematics class of standard 9th NCERT syllabus. The chapter is polynomial. In the previous class, I introduced you the polynomials and the nature of the polynomials. In my today's session, I am going to solve the exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1 of the chapter polynomial. Okay. Exercise 4.1, the first question is, which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reasons for your answer. What is the question? We have to find out or we have to write which are the polynomials in one variable and which are not. Okay, you know variables which are polynomials in one variable. The first question is 4x square minus 3x, 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Okay, whether this is expression of or the polynomial in one variable or not. Yes, this is polynomial of one variable. Yes, this is polynomial of one variable, which is that variable here? X. Okay, this is polynomial of one variable. What about second one? This is first one over now. Second one, y square plus root 2. Yes, this is also polynomial in one variable. Yes. This is polynomial. This is polynomial in one variable. Okay. Then we go for the third one. See the third one. Third one is, what is the third one? The third question is 3 root t plus t root 2. Is it a polynomial or not? Polynomial of one variable or not? No, this is not the polynomial of one variable. Why this is not the polynomial of one variable? Actually, see here, what is the polynomial definition? The polynomial definition is actually the variable must have the power as the whole numbers. Here t is there, no? What is the exponent or the power of this t? The power of this t is, see, this t is here t to the power half. Root t is equal to what? T to the power half. That means this is not the whole number. Okay, but here the whole number t to the power 1 is there. Here it is 1. But here it is t to the power 1 by 2. That's what, this is not the polynomial in one variable. So, because of this power of t is half here. That's what, this is not the power of a polynomial of one variable. Okay, I hope you understood. So, this is not the polynomial. This is not the polynomial in one variable. Okay, next we'll go for the next question, that is fourth one. See, what is the fourth question? Fourth question is y plus, the fourth question is y plus 2 by y. This also same. Y plus 2 by y. Here 2 by y. Y is here. The exponent of y is 1 by y is equal to nothing but y to the power minus 1. Minus 1 is not the whole number. That's what this is also not the polynomial in one variable. Okay, I hope you understood. You write as the third one. Okay, so this is not polynomial. What is the reason? Because here the power of y is negative integer. Okay, next one, the fifth one, we'll go for the next, that is fifth one we'll see. Last one in the first main, x to the power 10 plus y to the power 3 plus t to the power 30. T to the power 30 only, no? 30 or 50, whatever it may be. See, it is 50. See whether it is polynomial or not. No, this is not the polynomial of one variable. Here variables are different. So this is not the polynomial. This is not the polynomial of variable 1. Because here more variables are, 3 variables are there. So it is not the polynomial of variable 1. Next, first one is 2 plus x square plus x. Here see, this is x square. What is the coefficient of x square here? 1. It is understood here. So the coefficient of x square is here 1. Coefficient of x square is 1. Okay. The same way, second one. What is the second one here? See, second one is 2 minus x square plus x cube. Here they asked only the coefficient of x square. See here, what is the x square here? Minus x square is there. Minus x square means the coefficient of x square is here minus 1. Okay, minus 1. Here it is minus 1. Okay, now we'll go for the third one. See, the third question is, third one. What is the third question in the second main? Pi by 2 x square plus x. See here, this is x square. Its coefficient is pi by 2. Okay. Therefore, coefficient of x square is pi by 2. I hope you understood now. The same way, fourth one. We'll go for the fourth one. See, what is the fourth question? Fourth question is root 2 x minus 1. Okay. Here see, x square is not there. X is there. Then what will be the coefficient of x square here? 0. Okay. So, the coefficient of x square in this problem is 0. Okay. I hope you understood. The second main also got over. We can go for the third main. Okay. See, give one example, each of a binomial of degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. Okay. See, give one example, each of a binomial. Binomial means there must be 2 terms. Okay. And what will be the degree of that binomial? The degree of that binomial is 35. Okay. Now, 3 we write 4x plus 4x to the power 35. Degree must be 35. 4x to the power 35 minus 3. See here, this is binomial. 2 terms are there. Okay. And degree is 35. This is one example. And another one is what they asked, monomial of degree 100. So y 5y to the power 100. This is monomial, only one term is there, degree is 100. This is what the third main two examples they asked. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, now we'll go for the next main, that is fourth main. Okay, write the degree of each of the following polynomials. The first polynomial will take, that is 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. See here, first we have to see the degree of each term. Here the degree of x is 1, here x is 2, here x is 3. Which is highest here? This is highest, 3. Therefore degree of this polynomial is 3. Okay, the same way second one. What is the second one? Second one is 4 minus y square. Here what is the variable? Y is the variable. Okay, so what is the degree of this variable here? The degree of this variable is 2. The same way third one. See here, third one, the question is 5t minus root 7. Here t is having the power as 1. So the degree of this polynomial is 1. Okay, then fourth one is 3, only 3. What is the degree of that? See, now we can go for the fourth one. Fourth is 3. What is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of this polynomial is 0. Why it is 0? This 3 can be written as 3 into 1. Okay, this is 3 into 1 means what? X to the power 0. Okay, so this is nothing but 3 into x to the power 0 is 1. So what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of this polynomial is 0. Degree of this polynomial is 0. This is called as 0 polynomial also. Okay, I hope you understood. So this is the degree, 0 degree polynomial. Okay, the fourth main got over. Now we go for the next main, that is fifth main. Classify the following as linear, quadratic, cubic polynomials. See here, first one. What is the first question here? The first question is here, x square plus x. X square plus x. Fifth main we are doing now. So fifth main, the first question is x square plus x. Whether it is linear or quadratic or cubic. This is, see here power is 2 means this is quadratic equation. Okay, this is quadratic polynomial. Then second one is x minus x cube. See here, the degree is 3, that is cubic. Okay, then third one is y plus y square plus 4. Here the highest degree of this polynomial is 2. That means it is quadratic. This is quadratic. Okay, then the next one, that is fourth one, we'll see. That is the fourth one is 1 plus x. 1 plus x. Here the degree is 1. This is called as linear. This is linear polynomial. Degree is 1. Degree 2 means quadratic. Degree 3 is cubic. Okay. Next 3t. Fifth one is 3t. Here also power 1. This is also linear. Then the next one is sixth, that is r square. Here the degree is 2. This is quadratic polynomial. Okay, quadratic polynomial. The last and that is seventh one. Seventh one is 7x cube. Here the degree is 3. This is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Like this we can classify the given polynomials as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. Okay. By this I conclude exercise 4.1. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.